Welcome back to, what are we on now, day 10? Day 10 I think. And today I'm just going to do a quick taste test of the Plant Pioneers that was in my last video. It's the no prawn tempura, made with jackfruit and king oyster mushroom and a light crispy batter. Now what I like about this is because, apart from the fact I wouldn't want to eat seafood in the first place being vegetarian, I can't eat it because I'm allergic. But I do like tempura. So I'm going to try this and let you know what I think. Okay, so that's them ready. 40 minutes later, and you get 8 in the packet, and for what I can see, they're actually a lot bigger when you take them out of the packet. They look good. Let's see what it tastes like. To be honest, so far I can only taste like batter. I don't think it tastes like prawns. There's a lot of batter there. That's all I'm tasting. It tastes a wee bit of the mushroom. So what it tastes like when it's in soy sauce. Okay, I wouldn't mix it with soy sauce. Okay. We'll try another one, maybe just that one. Okay. Okay. Quite disappointed actually. Didn't think I would be, because I really do like tempura. And I'm not tasting much other than just the batter, unfortunately. I don't know if, I wouldn't even say there was jackfruit in that because I can't taste it. I can't taste much of the mushroom, and I'm only tasting the batter. So, you know, I probably wouldn't get these again actually. I'd go for a different brand and try that. So, sorry, that's definitely a fail as far as I'm concerned. They only taste like batter. Anyway, that was the review from me. And I will see you again tomorrow for day 11 of Vlogmas.